This is how you find services assigned to a Google My Business profile. A services list is crucial for your GMB profile. It helps your business appear in relevant searches when customers look for specific products or services on Google, attracting more customers. Step 1. Install the GMB Everywhere extension by going to gmbeverywhere.com. Click the Install Chrome extension button. You will be redirected to the extension page. Click Add to Chrome. Once installed, a new tab of Google Maps will open, showing several buttons. Step 2. Click the Basic Audit button. This will open the audit page of GMB Everywhere. This includes your GMB profile information, audit links, and more. On the other GMB details section, you will see the important information about a GMB, and that includes the services link. Be specific. Use clear, jargon-free language to describe services. Use keywords. Incorporate relevant terms to improve search visibility. Include prices. Help customers make informed decisions. Use quality images. Make your profile visually appealing. Keep current. Regularly update your services list. Want to know more about this lightweight and powerful tool to help your business? Check out the related video in the description box below. Got some questions? Or do you have topics that you want to discuss? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We will see you in the next video.